and subscribe.
Hello guys, today we're going to make one old-fashioned, and I use personally bourbon, so I like Four Roses bourbon, or you can use any whiskey you like. And I also like to use my simple syrups.
Okay, sweet.
1 jigger, 1 mixing glass, 1 angostura bitter, also 1 tumbler, then just some ice. I will use the ice ball for my cocktail, but you can use any ice. We are going to start with sugar. Five dash of angostura bitter. Here we go. And 50 ml of whiskey. I like to use 50 ml fast. Just stir it up a little bit and then add 10 ml plus, because it's just like whiskey, sugar and angostura, so it's basically a whiskey based cocktail. And I like to have it personally, I like to feel the whiskey.
I know exactly what you mean.
So I like to use 6 cl of whiskey, but you can use 5 cl as you wish. We have some ice. So the classic old fashioned is made with sugar cube, but I'm going to use the syrup because I prefer to use the syrup. With the simple syrup you can mix it much better, because you can choose how much water you have inside, how much sugar you want to have inside.
Is that the word? No. Yeah, no. Yeah, whatever. We'll go with it.
Now we just mix it a little bit. Must be stir a little bit, yeah, not that much.
Scrumptious, tasty, addictive.
So I'm just gonna throw the water out of my glass. Into my glass. Okay. So you can do it build inside the glass, but I like to do it like this because of the ice ball. So it's much easier for me to mix it in the glass with normal ice and then use the ice ball to drink it. And here I will add my 10 ml of whiskey, or 1 cl. Just to make it a little bit stronger. Now I'm going to mix it again a little bit with my spoon. I really like my old fashioned to feel the whiskey, but you can just use 5 cl. But I like it to have it a bit stronger.
That's delicious.
We take 1 orange. You can use the peeler, or you can use 1 knife. I find it much easier with the peeler. And we just got a very big peel of orange. Now we do like this, so we put all the essential oil in our drink. We cut this part, and then we cut a little bit here to make it straight. So I will show you. You can cut it like this, so just to make a little bit, to make it a little bit more,
What the hell are you talking about?
better. Or you can just twist it and put it inside your glass, so your choice. So here we go. Now the old fashioned looks very nice, and cheers guys, salute.
Please like and subscribe.